Like the name says, Lomochrome Purple let me down. Just a brief blurb here before we go into the actual shooting of the film. Lomochrome Purple is expensive. It's sometimes difficult to get a hold of, and I was very much looking forward to using it. It was supposed to be a celebration of having finished the restoration on this camera, the slow speeds, and everything finally repaired. I was to run the film through this and kind of laugh at the fact that the film costs, once developed, about 3 times what the camera did. And then we're going to move on to the Leica. A couple of problems I ran into with the Lomochrome. The first is about half of the images all have a weird discolorization at the bottom of the image. It doesn't look like a light leak, though that's possible. It's also possible that the lab did something wrong or there was some kind of mistake in the process. But I have since run other rolls of film through this and used the same lab and not had any of that discolorization. And the discolorization is only in part of the film and not all of it, which again makes me think not light leak. But what really let me down was once I had shot 36 shots, it was rewinding the film. It got near the end and something inside of the canister broke and it stopped rewinding. I thought maybe it was the camera. I thought maybe I had loaded it wrong, but when I finally resigned myself to the fact that it would not wind and I had to open it, the film was on the sprockets and nothing was stuck in the camera. The camera was moving fine. When I got the roll out, the internals of the roll just spun without actually rewinding the film. Nothing would rewind. I lost about 6.5 shots as a result. So that was what really let me down, not necessarily the colorization. I'm willing to chalk that up to some other mistake somewhere along the line. But here we go. You'll get to see me shoot it, and you'll get to see the discolorization yourself. And it is a really cool film, and I love the effects of it. But my experience with it thus far has not been great. I actually have a second roll loaded into this camera right now, so we'll see if it can redeem itself in the future. Hope you enjoy.
technology activated